In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce and Slack. Connecting Salesforce and Slack is a great way to bring your CRM activity directly into the place where your team already communicates. Once this is set up, you can view Salesforce records in Slack, receive real-time updates, and make collaboration around opportunities and customer information much faster and easier. Before you begin, make sure you have the right permissions in both platforms. You'll need administrator access in Salesforce, and in Slack, you'll need to be a workspace owner, admin, or have permission to install apps. It's also important to use a Salesforce edition that supports API access. To get started, log into Salesforce as an administrator. In the top right corner, click the gear icon and choose Setup. This takes you to the administrative area where integration settings are managed. On the left side, find the Quick Find search box, type Slack, and then select Slack Initial Setup. When that page opens, review the terms of service carefully. After that, agree to the terms and switch the status toggle to Enable. This turns on Slack integration features across your Salesforce organization and prepares Salesforce to connect with your Slack workspace. Next, open the Slack desktop app. In the left sidebar, click Apps. If you don't see it immediately, click More and then Apps. Use the search bar to look for Salesforce and make sure you choose the official Salesforce application. Click the Add button beneath the app. Slack will redirect you to the Slack app directory in your browser. On that page, click the green Add to Slack button. Review the permissions the app is requesting. Scroll down and click Allow. This installs the official Salesforce app into your Slack workspace. Once the app is installed, go back to Slack and find the Salesforce app in the Apps section of your sidebar. Open the direct message window with the app. You can either click one of the prompts in the conversation or type /Salesforce in the message field to activate it. When the welcome message appears, click Connect Account. A secure browser window will open for authorization. Click Authorize or Log In, then sign in to your Salesforce account. After authentication, click Allow to complete the connection between your Slack profile and Salesforce account. Finally, test the integration by setting up automated channel alerts. Go to the Slack channel where you want Salesforce updates to appear. In the message composer, type /Salesforce followed by the record URL, then press enter. This sends Salesforce record information directly into the channel, helping your team stay informed in real time. At this point, your Salesforce and Slack integration is active and ready to use.